Traditionally, instruction assessment and student work has been textbook-based and teacher-driven. Students learn the content of science in isolation and learn the genres of writing and language arts class. This is a story of how fourth grade teachers at Carpenter Elementary School in Monticello, Iowa took a unit on the human body systems and a unit on how to write a persuasive essay and transformed them by using the authentic intellectual work, commonly known as AIW framework. Teachers work collaboratively to plan the units, starting with the concept of systems and the concept of producing text, then narrowed the focus to human body systems and using text to persuade an audience. Both of these concepts have aligning Common Core standards that teachers used for assessment purposes. Students worked in small groups to create persuasive essays on why keeping your body healthy is important in language arts class, while constructing their own knowledge about the unique systems of the human body and how they are impacted by healthy and unhealthy lifestyle choices in science class. Students were engaged in truly intellectual work while their teachers took on the role of a facilitator in the learning process. Students engaged in elaborated communication and negotiation throughout the persuasive writing process and during the body systems project development. Students rarely worked in isolation and developed final products that were used to persuade and educate the public as well as younger students on why healthy habits and healthy lifestyle choices are critical to living a happy and healthy life. Throughout the project, the content areas of science and language arts merged in such a way that students were able to recognize that science and writing do not exist in isolation from one another. They developed a deeper understanding of how scientists in the field use writing to support their findings and to persuade others to support their findings. Students' final writing pieces were published and displayed in multiple health service-related businesses throughout Monticello and other neighboring communities. Some of the student work pieces made it as far as the University of Iowa hospitals and clinics. A story of the fourth graders' accomplishments was published in the Monticello Express. Through the utilization of the authentic intellectual work framework and classroom instructional practices, students went beyond merely knowing the body systems and the components of a persuasive essay to having constructed deep conceptual understanding of using text to persuade and how the systems of the body interact with one another and their environment.